Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to play Snake Game on Spotify. So first, if you are using a device that is different than mine, or if you are using an iOS device or you're using an iPad, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. The first thing that we will need to do is to simply launch or open up our Spotify app on our device, and then after that, in here we are going to tap on the library on the bottom left corner of the screen, bottom right rather of the screen. Tap on it and then tap on to any playlist that we have or you have on your Spotify. So just tap on to this, and then after that, I am going to click on the three dots right here on my screen, on my playlist rather. Tap on this and this will pop up on your screen. So if you have that feature or you have the feature it the playlist here on your Spotify, you just need to click on or you just need to tap onto that in order to proceed into playing the game. But unfortunately, I don't have that feature on mine. So that is all for this video, and I hope it helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.